Ronald McDonald House is a home away from home for families going through what may be the most stressful time in their lives, when a child is in the hospital. In addition to a comfortable place to stay, families get free meals every day, usually from community volunteers. And recently, those volunteers were a group of culinary students from Addams Business Career Center. Hear about their special home-cooked meal and why the families at the Ronald McDonald House of Cleveland say it's exactly what they needed. Some families call Ronald McDonald House home for weeks, months, and even years.
I have a 14-year-old son who has water on the brain or hydrocephalus, and he's currently at Rainbow Babies.
Our son is here. He was 25 years old. He got a double lung transplant on November 30th. He has cystic fibrosis.
Between appointments and visits to the hospital, there's enough to worry about. So meals from community volunteers are a big help.
When a group like these students come in and cook for you, you don't have to mentally process what you're going to eat, how you're going to get to the store to purchase it, how you're going to cook it, or what all that's going to look like. And that's great because that takes off pressure.
Families lined up for the food, cooked from scratch by the culinary students at Addams Business Career Center. The menu included curried chicken, rice and beans, and cabbage. And those delicious dishes were chosen and planned by junior Denisha McKinney.
I'm half Jamaican and half African American, so I decided to go with the Jamaican style.
Inspired by her heritage and her own childhood medical scare, she wanted to give back to these families because she knows what they're going through.
People in hospitals like this, they don't really have people, so when you volunteer, it makes them feel like they're more loved.
And cooking might be one of the best ways to show that love, according to the Ronald McDonald House staff.
Nothing beats a home-cooked meal. They are helping the Ronald McDonald House of Cleveland feel like home, a home away from home for the families that we serve.
Serving the families and offering the students a learning experience meant a lot to Addams chef instructor Saida Farrell.
Volunteerism and also paying it forward, so that was important for me to show the students, and then also exposing them to cooking in other kitchens. I wanted them to see what it's like to cook in other kitchens as well.
They cooked up a successful lunch that left plates empty and the room full of smiles.
I was impressed. It was very different from what we've had, which is good, different in a good way. And the girls cooked professionally, so I appreciate that.
The chicken was delicious and the rice was so good.
The meal today was excellent. It was so nice to have something a little different, and it was really good.
Because sometimes a home-cooked meal is just what the doctor ordered.
It was delicious, ladies. Thank you.
These parents and some of the kids, they were so happy, and they was eating, smiling, laughing. It meant a lot to me. I was very happy that they enjoyed it, that they liked it. It was a good experience.
I mean, it's just great to have a place like this to come to. We've stayed in hotels, it's not the same.
The Ronald McDonald House of Cleveland has 55 rooms available to families, and the students plan on volunteering there again soon. If you're interested in volunteering or learning more about Ronald McDonald House, visit rmhcleveland.org. And for more stories like this, you can visit the CMSD News Bureau website at clevelandmetroschools.org/news. Reporting from the CMSD TV studio, I'm Shannon Kantner.